use would to talk about imaginary, impossible, or very unlikely situations in the present. If I moved to another country, I would miss my parents. Claire would take a trip around the world if she won the lottery. If they spoke English, they would move to New Zealand. They would help you if you asked them politely. The structure is if plus subject plus past simple. Subject plus would plus base form of the verb. Look carefully at the comma after the if clause. It needs to be there when the if clause comes first. But when you change the order of the clauses, you can remove the comma. And remember, even though we're using past tenses, we are imagining things in the present. Next up, we use when we talk about hypothetical situations in the past. We often use this structure to imagine changing the past or things happening differently. Here are some examples. I would have called you if I had known you were at home. If she had helped us, we would have finished earlier. If he had practiced more, he would have passed his driving test. She wouldn't have missed her flight if her alarm had gone off. The structure is if plus subject plus past perfect, subject plus would have plus past participle. Again, when the if clause comes first, we need a comma after it.